Rich people often live in a completely different reality than we do. For most of us, the only way to earn money is to work for it. We trade our time for wages. This limits our earning potential. But if you're not ready to put in the effort, then sorry, but you will never become rich. You see, being poor is often the result of poverty, but being rich is often the result of a person's mindset. And Elon Musk's mindset is very different from that of ordinary people. Yes, he got lucky sometimes, but you will get lucky too if you follow his lead. In this video, we're going to reveal Elon Musk's secrets and show you his exact strategies for getting rich. Let's begin. 1. Elon's mindset. One of the main reasons why Elon Musk became so wealthy is that he has always been able to spot emerging trends and capitalize on them. Most people lack such foresight, but if you want to be like Elon, you need to develop this ability as soon as possible. So here are a few simple tips. Always ask yourself, what's missing in this world? Here's an example. Musk saw that electric cars were the future. His current fortune proves that he was right. Or take the colonization of Mars. Many people think this is some kind of fantasy, but Elon says this is the key to the survival of our civilization. Let me explain. As we know, our sun will run out of fuel in billions of years and Earth will die. People will have nowhere to go except for Mars or other planets. Therefore, we need to prepare in advance. Elon Musk isn't the only one who understands this. Jeff Bezos is also involved in space projects. There's a reason billionaires are thinking about this, not you. However, if you want to be like Elon, you need to change this situation. You need to develop the ability to anticipate events. And to do this, you need to keep learning. 2. The hunger for knowledge. Elon Musk started reading books at the age of 9, and by the age of 12, he was reading 2 books a day. Now imagine for a second. At the age of 9, Elon read about 120 books a year. By the age of 12, he read about 240. That's almost 10,000 books in his childhood. But wait, this isn't the most important thing. When Elon was in high school, he said, if you want to be really effective at something, you need to know everything about it. So when Elon came across something he didn't understand, he immediately bought a relevant book and learned it. That's how he learned physics, engineering, and many other things. When Elon was 18, he enrolled at the University of Pennsylvania, and 2 years later, he received a Bachelor's degree in both physics and economics. Then Elon went to Silicon Valley to make money and gain experience in business. Elon wasn't satisfied with just knowing a little bit about everything. He dove deep into every field he wanted to master. This guy would spend all night studying neural networks, which is something most people never do in their entire lives. In one interview, Musk admitted that his biggest weakness was that he worked too much. I think it's just impossible for normal people to understand what I'm doing, which is kind of fine because I think it's impossible for me to do what a normal person does. You can never be as smart as Elon Musk unless you start acting like him. How do you think someone can succeed in multiple industries without proper education? You can't just wish to become as smart as Elon Musk. Instead, you should start reading books on the topics that interest you. And don't just read them, delve into them. Learn as much as you can. Even if you still don't know how to apply this knowledge, it will definitely come in handy in the future. And when you get that opportunity, you'll be prepared. 3. Not afraid to take risks. Elon Musk is known for taking risks that many people would hesitate to take. He could easily afford to live a comfortable life after selling his share in PayPal. But instead, he decided to invest all his money in his 3 companies, Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity. Although Tesla and SolarCity are no longer operating as independent entities, SpaceX remains one of the most valuable private companies in the world. No one can deny that Elon Musk is a risk taker. And this trait has served him well throughout his career. For example, when Musk was launching the first Falcon 1 rocket, he was broke and had pawned his possessions. But he was confident that the rocket would be successful. It wasn't easy to admit, but Musk had to move into a small house near the SpaceX headquarters. Fortunately, the rocket was launched successfully, and Musk managed to pay off his debt. After that, he began to receive regular payments from NASA. Musk's confidence in himself and his abilities helped him overcome difficult situations. So here's my advice. Don't be afraid to take risks if you're sure you're right. Just like Musk, think about what you want to achieve in your life and find ways to make it happen. No. 4. Thinking long term. Most people fail to build wealth because they're focused on the short term. They think about how they can earn a few extra bucks today or improve their living conditions in the near future. This approach leads to a dead end. And if you want to be like Elon Musk, you need to think differently. Unlike ordinary people, Musk focuses on long-term goals. He doesn't set deadlines for himself. His motto is, "I work until I finish." This approach allows him to fully realize his ideas and achieve his goals. Elon Musk is also constantly improving his skills, and this helps him to remain competitive in an ever-changing world. So, if you want to be like Elon Musk, don't focus on short-term gains. Instead, set long-term goals and work tirelessly to achieve them. Remember that success comes to those who are willing to put in the effort. No. 5. Build the right team. Some people assume that Elon Musk single-handedly built his multi-billion-dollar empire. That's wrong. Behind every great leader, there's a strong team of professionals who help bring his ideas to life. Elon Musk understood this early on. That's why he was able to attract top engineers, designers, and software developers to work for him. Of course, salaries at Musk's companies aren't low, but employees are more than happy to work for him. Why? Because everyone wants to be part of something big and exciting, and working for Musk certainly offers that. You see, Musk isn't just a brilliant engineer, he's also an excellent salesman. He personally sold the first Teslas and actively promotes his projects on Twitter. Musk knows how to inspire people to believe in his ideas, and that's what makes him such a successful entrepreneur. So if you want to be like Elon Musk, remember that you can't do it all yourself. Find talented people who share your passion and bring them onto your team. Lead them, inspire them, and together you'll be unstoppable. No. 6. Learn to sell. In addition to being an engineer and a scientist, Elon Musk is also a terrific salesman. He personally tried to sell Tesla's first cars. And when needed, he promoted his own projects on Twitter. It's no secret that a good salesman earns 10 times more than an average worker. So don't think being a millionaire is only about technical skills. You must learn to sell your idea, your product, and even yourself. Number 7, failure is only experience. Musk's first 3 launches with SpaceX were unsuccessful, and the company was on the verge of bankruptcy. Something similar happened with Tesla. But despite the failures, Musk didn't stop and eventually achieved success. So remember, failure is only experience. Analyze your failures and try again. And that's it. If you made it this far, it means you're ready to take the next step towards your millionaire life. But first, give this video a thumbs up to motivate us to keep making awesome content for you. Now go and make your own millionaire strategies.